We used the backstop for the slingshot range on the chicken coop. Looks like a little shanty, like a Hooverville shanty. It's super warm in here. There they are, my slingshot backdrops. Nice and cozy, capped, topped, smothered, and covered. So that roof is starting to sag with all the ice falling on it. So I gotta try to sweep it all off. Can you see me?
Yeah. It's like little hail.
Yeah.
Wow.
The bands react a lot differently in the cold.
I'm not sure. Blame it on the bands.
Ice, ice, baby. Too cold, too cold. Gonna be in it?